Hello and welcome to another vlog with Greg, the Greg. I'm really loving life today. I was not loving life yesterday. I actually had a bit of an emotional one. I was not vibing yesterday, if I'm honest. But today I'm feeling so much more positive, so ready for the day. Can we just talk about this gorgeous girl? Oh, you know how to play up for the camera. Hello, looky looky. About to go for my daily exercise. But I'll take you through the outfit. So we've got some Converse on, some black tights. This little skirt, which I actually forget about. Got pockets, which for me is like the best thing you need in a skirt. This little jumper, which is Chloe's, and these sunglasses. I actually keep losing sunglasses. I don't know what is wrong with me. So I'm borrowing Chloe's again, and I've got my headphones on. It feels really nice to actually be able to go outside and it's making a fence down there. It feels so nice to be able to actually go outside and not have to carry anything. Because A, there's always someone that is going to be in the house. And B, what was B, Grace? B, it's so sunny so I don't have to wear a coat and I love it. You've never seen me in this mirror before, have you? I don't think you've ever been up here before, guys. They are bunnies. So I just got an exciting package. Look how incredible this is. This is me! I literally can't believe, I love it. How good is it?
Yeah, it's really good.
So cute. But then I feel like narcissistic putting that in my room, but I genuinely just like it. A company called, I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong. Noi Publishing. So, oh, her mum does all the designs herself. How sweet is that? God, this is so kind of them. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Another great marking bag.
You know, I have a vision for wearing these, but I don't ever look like it. Do you know what I mean? Those people in London with like a long trench coat on and like minimalist, sleek hair.
Oh, that's great.
What is this in it? What's this real life present?
Wow.
For me?
That's lovely.
Should I open
Well, this
that?
isn't for anyone else, is it?
I don't know if
It's for me.
Should I open one? Come on, get in.
Kitties!
Kitties! My gosh, wow. Oh, I just ripped it.
You plum.
No, I didn't mean to.
I didn't.
Yeah, keep that, because you know what? Nanny Marshall loves a nice bit of wrapping paper, doesn't she? Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
What the heck? I start to like reno my room. Look how nice that is.
You renoed your room last year.
Yeah, but it's
You're not going to do it again,
just killing
honey.
my vibe,
Well,
you know?
Vibe off.
And this t-shirt, that is so cool. Oh my days.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a whole stationery set. What the heck? Look at that. It's a granny on a zebra.
Yeah, I tell you what, that's very
Lovely.
anthropology.
Yeah, it is actually.
Beautiful, that is.
It's just
I really like
lovely. I love a wire bound.
Smashing!
You
I
love
like
that, don't
Yeah, I
you?
do.
It is, and it's such good quality.
not.
This is like little cowgirls.
And
it's
it's got a magnet on the
magnetic.
fridge.
Oh my gosh, we can put it on the fridge. That is fun.
Nice.
Wow, that's nice.
They suit.
Top bloke, how cool. Little froggy ones again.
They're nice.
Look at this little apple one. Much Noi.
No, I tell you, are they in Oliver Bonus? This is more Oliver Bonus than Anthropology.
Is it?
Just staring at everything, I can't believe it. I'm actually obsessed. Look at the colours in this. This just is such a vibe. And to be honest,
I love the wrapping paper.
it's so good, so thick.
It's really lovely. Could you say lovely anymore? Shall I? Shall I say it one more time?
Go on.
That's lovely. That.
Lovely. I can't wait to wear. I've got the, you know those Levi shorts that were yours that now are mine.
What? They're not yours?
I thought I wore
didn't
them
give
the
them
whole
to
of
you.
last year, you
I
know.
did not give them to you.
With a little pair of Converse and that, and a
No,
nice pair of
honey.
socks. And lovely touch, compostable. Good morning and welcome to another vlog with me. So I just went for a stroll in the morning, which I actually haven't done, but it was really pleasant. And the birds were chirping, and I saw a pigeon. Did you see my Instagram? I saw a pigeon fly with a stick in its mouth.
Yeah, that's what they do.
I've never seen that happen.
They make their nests.
I know, that's why I'm just so confused. There's all that conspiracy theory over whether pigeons are real or made by the government to spy on us. And that's what's happening right now. They're charging up all their batteries.
Funny.
Because when have you ever seen a baby pigeon? I bet Dad has. Have you seen a baby pigeon, Dad?
Yeah, they're ugly.
I knew you would have seen
really
one.
Ugly birds.
I'm making my brekkie. I'm actually gonna, I don't like these, so I'm gonna try and use them up and have some like yogurt and stuff. I really don't like the vanilla one, but I thought I did. It's the chocolate one. Yeah. Added some strawberries and some granola. Let's see how it tastes now. I don't know what it is. I know what it is actually. I think it's like the vanilla-y taste. But then I like vanilla and other things, so let's try it with the strawberry and the granola. Actually, I didn't actually want to eat it. I managed it all. Oh, someone's sleepy. Someone's sleepy. Hello. You know how many people love you, Bangs? You have a whole group of fans on the old internet. They love you. They love you. They think you have short legs though, but I think you're beautiful. I think it is just the fluff, guys. I just looked at her legs and they do look short, but they're not. Wait, I need to show you. Her legs are actually quite long. They go up quite hard, but she's just so fluffy. You're just so fluffy. I knew she would flop. Look at this little leggy. Oh, sorry. You're so much. Oh. I'm about to do my hair, but I thought I'd show you. The other day, my mum got on a scrunchie making mission. She made us loads of scrunchies because me and my sister were arguing about this one that I got given by Cloak Vintage. Now we have a little collection. We've got this little checkered floral one, we got this little blue floral one, we got this little gingham one, we got this little spotty polka dot one, and we got this mini like squiggly blue one, which is so brandy, and she literally made them with her scraps of fabric, and they're like really good elastic. You know, sometimes you get a scrunchie, and I don't know if anyone else gets this, it doesn't hold your hair. It's just there for aesthetics, and I have to put like a ponytail. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Well, it's the same vlog actually. I'm about to tidy up my room because it's a real pigsty in here. Hello voice, why are you sounding so croaky? I didn't sign up for that. I have just been having a real like weird time with the daily vlogs because I feel like I genuinely have nothing to say or show. Like my routine is the same every day. I go for a walk, I eat lunch, dinner and breakfast, I edit some videos. I mean, I don't feel like there's much to say, so I've kind of not been posting as many, but I've still been trying to get some other videos up, if you get what I mean. Guys, we've just got a delivery. I wonder what this could be.
Donut time. Is it?
I think it's donut time. So they have this really cool thing at the moment where you can decorate. They'll send you like a box and they'll send you everything to decorate with, and if you know, can I just quickly get that shot? If you know me and you've ever watched any vlogs of me going to London, you know every time I go to London, basically without fail, I get a donut time donut. And I love them so much. So when they said they would send me one, couldn't believe it. I was actually gonna get one anyway. Oh wait, no.
One is donuts, right?
One is oh no, this is their nostalgia box. They've done an Easter nostalgia box. You are buzzed. She's literally buzzing.
Can I see it?
Yeah, of course. And here we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh
how exciting. Here is what you get. You get the donuts in here. We've got this, and we've got the little icings. That's so, they're, oh my gosh. And it's got your little, oh. Here we have the ingredient card and everything to design them. Luckily, the donuts and the glaze. I can't have the glaze. Oh no, it's got milk powder. Oh no. I guess it will have to be the rest of the fam that consume them, but it's still fun because we get to decorate them. And look at how great these little sprinkle winkles are. How fantastic. Look at all of this stuff. Went on my walk, I've had my Zoom, and I actually made a big mistake of wearing a full tracksuit. And I am now in shorts and a t-shirt because I was so hot. We're about to have lunch. There was something I was going to tell you guys. What was I going to tell them, Mum?
Don't know.
I don't know either.
Best thing to do in those circumstances is to stop thinking about it, get on, and then it will come back to you.
Mum, stop. Oh, that's what I was going to tell them. How funny. I thought I was going to show you. I basically have been trying to get this Glossier sun cream for the longest time because obviously I have quite fair skin, very delicate skin, and I've never found a sun cream for my face that I like. And when looking at reviews, the Glossier one came up trumps. It is called Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen, and apparently it doesn't leave like a film on your skin. You know, I feel like so many sun creams that I use on my skin leave a grim film. So I finally found it in stock, and it's taken a really, really long time to come. I can't get it out. Say at the moment I'm absolutely obsessed with celery and peanut butter. I go through phases with it, and right now we're really having a good time. But it is donut time, literally. How funny. I didn't even think. So we're going to each decorate a little diggy donut right here. So take your pick. I'm not going to put my hands on them because Corona.
Aren't they all the same?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh my gosh, they're huge.
Yeah, I think
Look at the size.
Dad's going for that one. You cheeky.
I want a perfectly round one.
Oh,
I'm going to go for the perfectly round one.
I know you won't want that one, will you? It smells so good.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, these are, we're going to use the Betty Crocker one because these guys have dairy in. Okay, here are, we've even brought out some of the other sprinkles. How are we thinking? What are we thinking for decorations?
I'm thinking, with this sort of thing, sweets is not normally my vibe, but they look the best.
To be honest.
Aesthetically,
I'm
yeah.
thinking more chocolatey.
Yeah, I'm thinking chocolatey.
But then is anyone going to use the sweets? I don't want them to go to waste.
You can just eat the sweets. It's a bit stressful. There's so many options.
There is.
Ooh. Go on, Mum. She's doing a cream egg. Do you want a cream egg?
We do it.
Should we cut a cream egg onto it?
Chocolate.
No, I'm going to go for the chocolate fudge here. I might have to melt it a bit. Look at the artists at work. Drizzle, drizzle, for shizzle.
It's all over a bit too quickly, isn't it?
Well, pace yourself, Mum. You're already... What is this colour scheme
All gone
happening?
We're going all out. This is my happy place. Colour, vibrant.
I don't know if that, it looks like it's blending together to look so yummy. It looks like a Simpsons one. You should use these on that. That'd be so pink.
Yeah, I feel mine is the best.
Mum.
You haven't even seen ours yet.
Yeah.
Ruin it.
Okay. We're going for a chocolate brooch.
Oh, nice grapple. Now we know why
Okay,
she's
you've got the
baker.
professional bits out.
Professional bits? What is professional?
A blue bag.
You've got a piping bag. I don't know what to do, guys.
Slightly overwhelming, isn't it?
I might just go simple. Do I just go for...
Mama, you regret.
But does the sequins go with the chocolate?
Sequins.
No, I'll be honest with you
You
guys.
don't think it does?
Darling.
No, it doesn't.
Sprinkles. Why don't you just go for a gold crunch? Or a glamour and sparkle moment? You are supposed to leave it for 5 to 6 minutes once you've glazed it until dry. Very important, it says. 8 minutes until completely dry. Very important, it even says.
So why didn't
Now
you
get creative with your... I put them there for you to read because I always get told off for not reading
Did you hear that, Dad?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with the...
I think you go down the chocolate approach.
But then I can't have it. Just put snowman on it. It's not even Christmas.
Hey, I need one more, please.
Snowman?
No, one more ball.
You know, I'm just going to go for glamour and sparkle, guys.
I feel like Francis Quinn.
Do you?
No, I think little gold balls.
Where there are
Silver
no
balls.
gold balls.
Silver
balls.
balls. Yeah, on the little peaks.
I feel like silver
Where
balls
you've lifted
have been
off.
a little bit overused in this process.
Oh, there's gold ones in there. Gold.
This.
Gold balls.
I said that. She
Yeah,
disparaged
gold
my
balls.
thoughts.
Black, gold.
think
Sets
that
off
she
the
was
donut.
making a-
We have been decorating our donuts. It's called donut time in the Booth household.
No, that's the
Thank you,
company.
Don. I know that, you prune. Flipping heck. I might be over 50, but I do only listen to my daughter sometimes. My creation. Look at that. Oh dear. Oh dear. Look at that splendid donut.
Coronavirus.
Another box of mini.
It's called the Ring of Fire. The fashion designer amongst us has created this.
Monstrosity.
Is it there?
Yeah.
That is
Zoom in on it.
amazing.
You should do the smart art music.
And then, of course, Candy Girl Pink
Chloe, who's still making her decision.
No, I'm not. I'm waiting for it to dry. It said to let it set for 8 minutes.
The rule follower. Although
There
it's
we
not a
go.
rule.
What's going to happen to that one?
You can.
If there's any pink eggs in there, can I please have?
Is that good?
Decided what to do yet, guys.
There isn't any.
So,
Purple.
choice is yours.
I don't know what to do. I just want to eat it now. I'm literally salivating.
I'm going to.
I'm just going to sprinkle it with some golden sparkle, guys. Some glamour and sparkle. Yay!
No, Yoshi.
Really going to
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the carnage afterwards. Chloe's is looking very, very pinky pink.
Jeff Koons.
What is this, Dad? What's happening here?
It's called COVID-19.
Why?
For what?
Because it reminds me of the spiky bits, these bits here.
But it's round. But that's art, isn't it?
We're doing it, aren't we?
And
Dad's
then
interpretation.
mine is very, very, very simple, which we would never have expected.
Mum's
And
is
then
an
Mum's
abstract
is the
expression,
complete
it's-
opposite. Look at this. Boop, boop.
Oi, how dare you diss my lovely design.
Minx already started his. I'm going to have mine.
They stayed fresh. Because
They're probably a bit dry now because you're supposed to like make. Oh, they're not? Oh, they're moist. Dad loves it. There is nothing like a donut time donut. Just clap.
Right, so
Is it 8 o'clock?
we're going out.
2 minutes to go. And that was the funnest vlog ever. Genuinely, thank you so much to Donut Time and to Noi Publishing for treating me. I still don't understand why anyone would want to send me anything, but it's very, very kind. And big thank you. Go check them out on Instagram. And I hope you are all staying safe and staying well. Again, as I always say, thank you for all your key workers who are still working. Those of you who are working are incredible. Keep going. You've got this. I believe in you. Love you all loads. Peace out.